In this video, we are going to look on how to extend a song in Riffusion AI. First, open up Sound Library in Riffusion and select the song you want to extend. Just note, Riffusion will only extend any song till 4 minutes. So 4 minutes is the maximum extension length, at least in the free version. Select the song and click on these 3 horizontal dots. Then click on Remix and then click on Extend. Here you can choose from which point you want to start extending the song. It's pretty common to think that if the song is ending at 209 minutes, we should start expanding from there. But when you extend the song right where it ends, the extension process does not come out smooth. For example, I will extend the song from 209 minutes and let us see what the results are. So these two are the extended versions, and to test how it got extended, we will listen to the song from that point. First, we will listen how song ends, and then we will compare the new extended version. As you can hear, there is an abrupt pause and then the song continues. It is almost like you paused the song and played it again. We will also check the second variation to see if that is smooth or not. It's the same abrupt pause, which does not feel nice when you listen. To avoid that, what we can do is, whenever we extend the song, never extend it right where it ends. Instead, pull the bar several seconds early. For example, I will start the extension process from 2 minutes rather than 209 minutes, and then click on Generate. Now we will listen to how this version turned out. As we can listen, this version is much better than the one we got before. The transition is smooth without any abrupt pauses. And this is how you can extend a song in Riffusion AI. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.